Hello everyone, welcome to our live broadcast. Today we are going to be announcing the launch of a brand new app for home chefs who sell food on WhatsApp, Facebook groups, Instagram pages. Apologies for the interruption. So if you are a home chef who sells food on WhatsApp groups, for example, you have your own WhatsApp groups with your customers who order from you on a regular basis, then this app is perfect for you. Before I start explaining the app, let me introduce myself. My name is Rachna Rao and I'm one of the co-founders of the Foodie Buddy app. I'm really excited to be making this announcement today and I hope you are as well. If I'm audible and you're able to hear what I'm saying, please do click on the like or the love button. I would love to hear, I would love to make sure that you all are able to listen to what I'm actually saying. So hi Rekha, hi Neeraj, nice to see you guys joining. I hope you're excited about the announcement as well. Hi Shweta. So I'd love to know where you're listening in from. I am in Bangalore right now and I would love to know where our viewers are currently listening in from. Are you from Bangalore? Are you from other parts of the country? That would be really nice to know. And finally, before I make the announcement, I have one more request. If you can tag and share this with other home chefs and bakers whom you know, that will be awesome because we want this to reach as many people as possible. I see people from Ranchi, Delhi and Bangalore and this is really exciting. I'm very excited. So let me tell you about the app that we are launching. Like I mentioned, this app is for home chefs who sell food on WhatsApp, on their Facebook groups, Instagram groups, etc. For example, like I said, if you have a WhatsApp group with your buyers, this app is perfect for you. And the name of the app is Chef Buddy. It's currently available on Android, coming very soon to iOS. If you have an Android phone, you can download it immediately. It's called Chef Buddy. It has a red color icon. If you're an iOS user, please let us know in the comment section and we will personally reach out to you when the app is available on iOS as well. And it's coming very soon, I promise. So let me tell you a little bit more about Chef Buddy now. I'm going to be covering why we decided to launch Chef Buddy. I'm going to be covering some of the features of the app. And I'm also going to tell you about an exciting contest that's going to be happening for one entire week with jackpot prizes being given away every day. So please stay on until then so you can hear more details about that as well. So why did we launch Chef Buddy? Why did we think about this particular app? So over the past few years during our journey with Foodie Buddy, we have met many home chefs. And what we realized was many of them have WhatsApp groups where they sell home cooked food. And there are issues that, they wanted us to solve for them. So for example, suppose you are a home chef and you have a WhatsApp group of your own. Your buyers, check out the group every day. You type your menu on a daily basis and share it on the group. And your buyers place orders. Now you go and write those orders in a diary. You deliver the food. And at the end of the day or at the end of the month, you take out your calculator and now you're trying to figure out how much money you made during the past 1 week, the past 1 month. That's quite painful to do and many chefs don't even do it because it's really painful. And so what we did with Chef Buddy is instead of writing your orders on your diary and using your calculator, if you enter your orders in the Chef Buddy app, all the accounting, all the calculations happen automatically. So for example, the app will tell you that in January you earned 20,200 rupees. In February you made 15,000 rupees. In March you made 19,350 rupees and all of this is completely automated. You don't have to do a single calculation yourself. And you can also record your expenses very easily in the app and then the app will tell you that in March you made your earnings were 25,000 rupees, and therefore your profit was 15,000 rupees. It's that simple, right? So managing the business that you've always been running becomes a lot more professional and you know exactly how much money, what your profit is, all of that without having to do any calculations or even writing a single word in your diary. Would love to know if if any of you have actually faced these kind of issues and similar issues that we can solve as well. Now, another thing that many chefs told us about was collecting buyer payments. Now, sometimes, you give the food to the buyer and you also forget that the buyer has not paid. Maybe they didn't have change, or they said they'll pay you later. Sometimes you remember, but you feel very awkward to ask the buyer because they're your friend, they're your neighbor, and you don't know how to ask and all of that. So we've automated that as well. As soon as you start entering all your orders on the Chef Buddy app, you just go to the buyer section and it will tell you that so-and-so owes you 100 rupees, so-and-so owes you 450 rupees, that kind of a thing. It's all completely automated, and you can send a very professional message to your buyers saying, for this particular order you owe me so much. It's all very professional. We will not send this message to any of your buyers, don't worry. We will only show you that this particular buyer owes you so much money, and you can then send a very professional looking message from the app. And then another thing we've done in the Chef Buddy app is what we noticed is every day home chefs go and they type out their menus on the WhatsApp group. You go and you type out aloo paratha. Every day you do the same thing and it doesn't look very different. It looks the same message every day, right? So what you can do on Chef Buddy is you can create very beautiful themed menus, and you can share these. These are menu cards that have some amazing themes. For example, you can create themes for different festivals. You can create different themes for different cuisines. For example, Indian snacks, thali theme, dessert theme, cupcake theme, and you can share this on WhatsApp groups, and it looks really professional, especially if you're promoting any new dishes, etc. These menu cards look really pretty. And we also have a different type of menu. It's called a smart menu. Now let me tell you what a smart menu is. A smart menu is basically a menu that if you create and you share it on a WhatsApp group, when a buyer sends you an order, with just a few clicks that order automatically enters the Chef Buddy app. You don't have to write it anywhere, you don't even have to type the order details, etc. You just have to click on a few links and the order automatically goes into the Chef Buddy app. If you want to know more about the smart menu feature, please let us know in the comment section and we will personally reach out to you, give you more details. We'll send you a tutorial about the feature, etc. So that you don't have any doubts and you can start using the smart menu feature as well, right? So I saw a few questions that came up, and also people have been asking me is, can my friend who's in another city use the Chef Buddy app? And what I want to say is, anywhere in India, if you are selling food on say WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc., you can use the Chef Buddy app to manage your business a lot more professionally. Like I said, automated accounting is completely automated, buyer payment details are automated, you can create beautiful menus. So it's open to home chefs, home bakers anywhere in India. Even if you have a small a tiffin service, catering service, or you have a small cafe, if you are selling food of any kind on WhatsApp, etc., you can use this. Shweta says she wants to know, Shweta Verma says she wants to know more about the smart menu in detail. We'll surely reach out to you and give you more details about that. Yeah, Ankita says her friend owns a small bakery. Yeah, if she is selling food on WhatsApp as well, if she gets orders on other channels, even if people call her, for example, right, she has a small bakery, people call her and say, hey, I want 2 cupcakes, etc., she can use the Chef Buddy app to record those orders. And for her as well, accounting, payments, the creation of menus, all of that becomes very smooth and very easy, right? So now that brings me to the contest that I told you about, right? We are going to be running a week-long contest. We're calling it the Smart Chef Jackpot Contest for one entire week. Every day there will be cash prizes given away, and this is going to happen for 7 continuous days. The first contest will be announced tomorrow at 9 p.m. This contest will be for people who are actually using the app. So to qualify for the contest, you need to regularly use the app. We'll give you the details and the instructions as well when we start the contest tomorrow. So don't worry, you will get all those details from us. And if you have any further questions, please, so people are asking me if Chef Buddy is replacing Foodie Buddy. That's not true. In apartment communities, yes, people will still use that. Chef Buddy is for people, like I mentioned, who have their own WhatsApp groups, who are selling food on Facebook, on Instagram groups, etc. You can use this to manage the orders that you're receiving on your WhatsApp group or your Instagram group or your Facebook group very efficiently. Rohan is asking me if he can record his old orders as well. Yes, Rohan, you can. For example, if you actually want to now input the orders that you received in March and in April, etc., you can do that. So that way you have a record. You can start from last month or this month. You can totally record those orders as well. Not a problem. It's not just forward-facing orders. If you want to take your diary and do a one-time entry, you can do that as well. So yeah, please keep asking more questions as well. We promise to reply to each and every one of you with our answers. After the launch is over as well, each of you will receive a reply from us with our answers. And yeah, please download the Chef Buddy app. Like I mentioned, it is currently available on Android. It's not yet available on iOS, but we will reach out to you as soon as it's available from iOS and let you know. And one more thing, when the iOS app is out, we will do a separate contest for that. So don't worry, you're not going to miss out on this. Even though this contest, only Android users will be able to participate. The contest will be there for iOS as well. One last question I'm going to take. Manju is asking me if this is a paid service. No, this is completely free to use. There are no service charges. You can enter all your orders. We want to make this easy. Like for example, suppose you have 10 to 15 different orders coming in on WhatsApp and you're writing it in a diary and it's really confusing for you. You don't know how much money you've made, etc. You don't have to pay anything to enter these orders. This app is completely free. Free to use. Please use it without any stress. There are no charges for each transaction that you apply and all of that. And yeah, we are not going to add transaction charges on Chef Buddy. All your orders that you receive anywhere else, record them here, completely free to use. No worries at all. So yeah, that's all I had. And like I mentioned, please keep the questions coming if you have more doubts as well. I promise that we will respond to you and reply to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this live broadcast. A very good night to everybody and take good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.